guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the best Mexican street corn chicken pasta salad. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by prepping our chicken. For this recipe I'm using 3 pieces of chicken breast, but of course you can always use thigh as well. Okay, and I'm just going to slice my chicken breast in half. Just like that. Okay, so once we have sliced our chicken, we're just going to pat it dry. Now drizzle a little bit of oil and season it with 1 teaspoon each of paprika, onion powder, salt, black pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and ground cumin. Okay, and just make sure that both sides get nice and coated. Alright, so once we have that, now we're just going to set it to the side. In our pot, we're going to fill it up halfway with water, set it over high heat, add a good amount of salt, and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, add your 12 ounces of pasta of choice, and just cook it al dente according to its packet. Okay, and once our pasta is done, we're going to drain it and rinse it under cold water. Okay, so now we're just going to set it to the side so we can cook our chicken. Alright, now here I already have my pan set over medium-high heat. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. And once that's nice and hot, we're just going to place our chicken. And we're just going to cook that 4 minutes per side. Okay, once that's done, we're going to remove it from the pan. Cover it with foil and allow it to rest. Okay, return into our pan. Going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And to that, we're going to add our corn. And you can use fresh corn, canned corn, frozen corn, whatever corn you have. Right now it's corn season though, so fresh corn is cheaper. And we're just going to cook this for a couple minutes. Just season it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. After a couple minutes, make sure corn scrape the bottom of your pan to remove all the burn bits. And just allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, our corn is done. So now we're just going to set it to the side and allow it to cool down for a few minutes. Okay, and while we wait, we're going to chop our chicken. And of course, if you don't want to chop it, you can also shred it. Just cut into small little bite-sized pieces. Just like that. So to a bowl, we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, 3/4 of a cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon of chipotle in adobo sauce, the juice of 1 lime, along with that salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, tajin, and chili powder. And now we're just going to mix it. Okay, now here you can taste it and see if you need to adjust the chili, the salt, or just any spice. And if you want to add some more lime, this is the perfect time to do it. So now we can add our corn, our pasta, the chicken, our purple onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and queso cotija. Now we're just going to mix it all together until everything is nice and coated. Okay, once it's nice and mixed, I'm just going to garnish it with some more queso cotija, some tajin, or you can add chili powder, and of course some more cilantro. And just add a few lime wedges. And we're just going to refrigerate and allow it to chill for a few minutes, and then we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this right here is seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, so flavorful, and so perfect for your next barbecue. I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So good. From the chicken, the pasta, the dressing, everything's just so perfect, so flavorful. The chicken helps. Of course, you know, if you don't want to make the chicken, you can always use rotisserie. But this right here, honestly, is the best.